Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to read the script of this lecture or MCQs related to this topic, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes shortly, so stay tuned. Now let us study today's term, burlesque. Burlesque in literary technique involves an incongruous imitation of a serious literary work or genre, creating amusement through a ridiculous disparity between the manner and the subject matter. It often serves as a form of satire, targeting specific works, genres, or subjects. Although burlesque, parody, and travesty are sometimes used interchangeably, they carry useful critical distinctions. High burlesque includes parody, where the serious manner and characteristic features of a particular work or genre are imitated and then deflated by applying the imitation to a comically inappropriate subject. For instance, John Phillips's The Splendid Shilling parodied John Milton's epic style in Paradise Lost, humorously describing a tattered poet in a drafty attic. Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrews playfully parodied Samuel Richardson's novel Pamela by placing a hearty male hero in the protagonist's role. Jane Austen later satirized the Gothic novel genre in Northanger Abbey. Another form of high burlesque is the mock epic or mock heroic poem. It imitates the elaborate form and ceremonious style of the epic genre but narrates a commonplace or trivial subject matter. Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock is a masterpiece of this type, using epic elements to humorously describe a quarrel over the theft of a lady's curl. Low burlesque involves applying a grotesquely undignified manner and style to mock a particular serious work. The Hudibrastic poem, named after Samuel Butler's Hudibras, satirizes rigid Puritanism by narrating mundane and humiliating misadventures of a Puritan knight in doggerel verses and colloquial language. The travesty mocks a specific work by treating its lofty subject in an absurdly undignified manner. Lampoon, another form of burlesque, is a short satirical work that ridicules a specific person through caricature, exaggerating or distorting physical features or personality traits for comic effect. John Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel includes a famous lampoon of Zimri, the Duke of Buckingham, humorously describing his various contradictions and inconsistencies. The modern theatre form of burlesque derives from plays that mock serious drama by employing incongruous imitation. For instance, John Gray's Beggar's Opera humorously imitated Italian opera by applying its dignified formulas to a group of beggars and thieves. In conclusion, burlesque serves as a potent satirical tool in literature, providing entertainment through its absurd imitations of serious works and genres. By targeting specific works, authors, or subjects, burlesque allows writers to critique and humorously deflate conventional literary forms and societal norms. So this was the discussion on the term burlesque. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other literary term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.